first video is not going to get views.
Subscribers don't matter. Views don't matter. I mean, they do.
So stop sitting there and thinking for months and months on end and just get to work and start uploading.
Everything you want as a creator comes from making the best videos possible and thumbnail.
MrBeast's success can be attributed to his unwavering dedication to improvement. While many of us strive for self-improvement, our efforts often become scattered, resulting in minimal progress in any specific area. This lack of focus leads to frustration and unfulfilled potential. However, MrBeast's path to success was different. He had a clear goal and a vision for his life, which served as the foundation for his achievement. He understood that exceptional success does not come easily or quickly. It requires a sustained commitment over time.
Just make 100 videos, improve something each time, and then talk to me on your 101st video.
For over a decade, MrBeast tirelessly created videos, even in the face of failure and disappointment. He persisted and dedicated himself to doing whatever it took to achieve his goals. His relentless focus and borderline insane level of dedication set him apart from others. People who possess this level of obsession and work tirelessly to master their craft are often viewed as extraordinary. They become unbeatable in the long run and eventually accomplish whatever they set their minds to. It is this unwavering commitment to continuous improvement that has propelled MrBeast to his remarkable success.